What's the next one? Inflatable bunny balloon. Uh-huh. Inflatable bunny balloon. Okay. Oh my god. I do not like this. But he actually shows you how to do this time. And then like, oh yeah, do that. Basically, it's the same as the other ones in the beginning right here. I'm only going to do half of it because the other half is just folding it like this. This is what he does here. Regular folds like this, and then closing folds like this. And then he closes it like this. This is also a base, but I forget what it was. Like a water bomb base or something. What balloon? Water balloon base, maybe it's called. I don't remember. Then these corners go up, and it's exactly like a water balloon. Okay, nice. And these go towards the middle. I usually crease them so I know exactly where the middle is. I usually only crease the corner right there, like pinch it, so you can see where the middle is. And I put this towards the middle. Open it up a little bit so I can see where the middle is. Right. Where is the middle? I lost it. There it is. Okay, I found it. There we go. In the middle, then you open this pocket right here that you created like 2 seconds ago, and then you push this in. Like that. He folds them in the middle. That's all he does. Tuck the flaps into the pockets and turn over. Yeah, that's exactly what I... Oh, no. He doesn't do that. He doesn't do that. He does this. He folds them down, yeah, as he shows in the text right here in the scripture. In the scrolls, Elder Scrolls. He folds them down like this. They were up before like that. And they fold them down. And then he opens the pocket right here and then shoves this in there, basically. I think my approach is better, but you know what? To each their own. I guess this is more... This is stronger. Kind of difficult to shove it in though. But what do I know? Do I have anything to open it with? There we go. That's how it looks like. They're like shoved in there. Yeah. The other side is these down towards the middle. Wrong way up. And then up. Maybe closer a little bit. There we go. Up. like that. And then, what do you want me to do? Folding these edges towards the middle. Is that gonna hold? Blow air into this hole right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's like smallest hole imaginable. Hello, please. Please. I hate you, camera. This hole right here. When I do this, I usually pre-crease it, so it's gonna be easier to open it. I pre-crease it right there and right here. Oh my god, this is so many folds right here. So pre-creased. And then you're gonna either blow into it if you have it big enough, or you just open it right here like this. Trying to grab the edges of it. And then you make it into a box shape. You'll know if you succeed if it turns into a box. God damn it, stop falling. Here's the edges that I folded before with the crease line. I'm just gonna flatten them a little bit. Here's the hole you blow into, by the way. It's gonna be easier. This one. You don't see it much, but it's there. Same thing in front, I assume. He only shows. This is it. This is it. Okay. There we go. Let me try it. There we go. Maybe a bit more air, a little bit more oomph in it, you know. I mean, yeah, it kind of looks like a rabbit from the profile angle, 2/3 shot over here. Maybe you can like glue it on something else. Be like, oh yes, I'm a rabbit. Hello, welcome to the carrot zone. Ooh, maybe I can give him like a little body right here. Let's see here. Can I like? No. Okay. How can I do this? Like this? There we go. No, it's falling off. I'm not an origami artist. Professional. Yep. Here it is. Here it is. Wow. Wow.